In this video, we'll learn on how to make the other extra parts of the shape visible and not visible. And this particular feature in Adobe Illustrator is known as trim. So we can simply go to the black area or background area beside the canvas and then right click and then go to clip to canvas option and disable it. And as soon as we disable it, you can see that all of our shapes are visible now as a whole. And if we want to enable the clip again, then we right click on the black background again and then click on clip to canvas to enable it. And now you can see again that all the shapes on the canvas has been hidden, which are outside of the bounding box of the canvas. So this is not possible in Artboard mode in Affinity. So this is how you can clip an artwork that is outside of the bounding box of canvas in Affinity. So if you like this tip and find this tip helpful, then please press the like button. And if you want more tips and tricks of Affinity in the future, then don't forget to press the subscribe button for more tips. Stay tuned for the new video and thank you for watching.